Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. This is the part 2 for Vue.js project. In this video, we will learn that how we can set up our Vue.js project. These are the 4 points for this video. First of all, we will install Node.js and npm. Then we will install Vue.js globally. After that, we will set up our project. And at the last, we will run our project and check that everything is working fine or not. So now let's start with the first point and download and install Vue.js with npm. So just go to the browser and simply put here nodejs.org, or you can just Google it, Node.js. Right after that, you can just go on a first link, and here you will find two versions for Node.js. One for recommended for most of the users, and second one is latest feature. I will recommend you to use recommended for the most users, because in latest version there might be some bugs, or maybe there is some minor issues, because they are also developer and they are just developing it. So just always go for recommended version and just click on it. After that, it will just take a few seconds to download the setup. Now setup is downloaded, and you can just directly go to the downloaded folder and double click on it. After that, it will ask some few questions for installation, and let's just start with the next. And now it will ask that change, repair or remove. If Node is not installed in your computer, then you might not see these options, because I already have Node in my system. That's why it will just ask for change or repair or remove, right? And after that, I can just select for the checkbox if I need some unnecessary tools and like C, C++ while installing, but I don't need them, so I'm not going to check it, and just click on the next and change it, right? So it will just take some few moments to install it, and we can finish it. After that, how we can check that this is installed or not? Just go to the command line simply and use here node -v, and here you can check the version, right? So if this command will provide you node is not an external or internal command, then just try to close your terminal and open it again. And if you still give the same result, that means node is not installed in your system. And same thing you can check with the npm -v, and here you can see that this is also installed. You might be just find that the version of Node.js and npm are different, and yes, they always be different, so don't be surprised that why the version is different. And if you are thinking that we just installed the node, how we just node npm found here, because when you installed Node.js, npm is also automatically installed in your system, so don't worry about that. Great. So first point is complete. Now we can just go for the second point, the Vue.js CLI. So just go to the official documentation of the Vue.js CLI, and you can just simply add here install keyword and just click on a first one. So here you will find two links for installation, Vue.js installation and installation Vue.js CLI. So just go for the CLI first time, and here you will find the command. If you are using npm, then you can use here npm install -g. What is the meaning of -g? I will tell you. And if you are using yarn, then you can simply put here yarn global add and Vue CLI. So we are using npm, so I will just use it. And where you have to run this command, you can run it in any folder, any directory in your system. Just you need to command line and just run it, right? Why we can run it anywhere? Because when we are installing Vue CLI, this is installing globally. -g means global. We can install it anywhere, and we can use it everywhere in our system, so don't worry about that. And again, it will just take some moments to install. That's why I am pausing this video. So Vue CLI is installed now. So now we have to set up our project. For that, we have to go on the folder where we want to install our project. So I am going in Vue-tut, and I am opening again command line and just simply write here Vue create. After that, your project name. So my project name is, let's say, resto project. You can put any name. As you know, we are just making a restaurant management system, that's why I just put here resto for this project name, right? And now whenever you will just run this command, it will ask that do you want to use Vue.js 2 or Vue.js 3? So obviously we will go for latest version with the Vue.js 3 and put enter. Now it will install some package, and here you can see that it will also generate some files and folders. So let's wait for a moment again. Alright, project setup is done now. So now let's check that is it working fine or not. So first of all, go to that project directory, which is rest2 project. After that we can run here code dot command. It will open our project setup inside Visual Studio. If you are not using Visual Studio Code, then this command might not work for Sublime and other. So this is great. Now let's run here npm run surf, and just it will take again a moment. Within that time we can check our files and folders. Here you can see that we have babel, package.json, lock and src folder, and public folder, also node modules. Also in upcoming video we will learn about that what is that mean of these files and where we have to code, and what are the node modules, public folder, everything we will learn in the upcoming videos, so don't worry about that. And while that time here you can see that project is actually running on localhost 8080 port number, so we can simply check it out, and here you can see that this is working fine, and here is our first page. So in next video we will learn something more about that project, and till then, bye bye, take care, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.